Did you know? Around 60 million indigenous people may have lived across the Americas before European colonization began. Some estimates suggest the indigenous population later collapsed to under 10 million after disease, conquest, starvation, slavery, and forced labor spread across the continents. Entire civilizations suffered demographic collapse within only a few generations. European diseases tore through native populations before many communities even saw a white face. Smallpox killed children beside their mothers inside villages that suddenly turned silent. Starving survivors sometimes found entire families rotting inside abandoned homes. Spanish conquerors crushed major civilizations beneath steel weapons, horses, terror, and alliances with rival tribes. Colonizers burned villages while terrified families still hid inside them. Soldiers hunted fleeing people through forests, rivers, and mountains across the Americas. Slave systems forced indigenous laborers to mine silver and gold until exhaustion killed them. Some colonizers treated native people as obstacles instead of human beings. Priests and officials often justified conquest through religion and civilizing missions. Churches and governments removed indigenous children from their mothers in later centuries. Boarding schools forced countless children to abandon their languages, clothing, hair, names, and traditions. Teachers punished indigenous children for speaking their native languages inside those schools. Some children suffered beatings for praying to the gods of their ancestors. Some children never saw their families again after forced removal. Many survivors later described loneliness, humiliation, abuse, hunger, and trauma inside the schools. Priests, guards, soldiers, settlers, and officials abused power against vulnerable native populations across generations. Some invaders kidnapped indigenous women and girls during raids against defenseless communities. Sexual violence followed conquest across countless regions throughout colonial history. Mothers watched strangers drag daughters away while villages collapsed around them. Entire peoples disappeared before cameras or recordings could preserve their existence. Human history buried countless destroyed worlds beneath modern nations. But another terrifying transformation happened thousands of years earlier inside Europe itself. Most people never hear about that prehistoric catastrophe in school. Around 5,000 years ago, Europe belonged to peoples who no longer exist as separate nations today. Ancient farming tribes covered Spain, Portugal, France, Britain, Germany, Scandinavia, and the Balkans. Small villages stood beside forests, rivers, mountains, and coastlines across the continent. Children learned old tribal stories beside fires at night. Families buried parents beneath stone graves raised by their own ancestors. Entire communities believed their bloodlines would survive forever on that land. Then something enormous began moving west from the eastern. Riders crossed into Europe with horses, wagons, cattle, weapons, and new social systems. Modern researchers call many of those steppe groups the Yamnaya. Ancient DNA revealed that those migrations transformed Europe permanently. Scientists uncovered one of the largest prehistoric population turnovers ever discovered. Western Europe suffered especially severe paternal lineage replacement during the Bronze Age. Ancient Iberia experienced one of the most extreme transformations. Earlier male lineages across Spain and Portugal nearly vanished after steppe ancestry spread into the region. Researchers estimated that roughly 80 to 90% of older paternal lines disappeared in Iberia. Ancient fathers' line genetics stopped appearing inside later graves across much of Spain and Portugal. Entire bloodlines collapsed beneath the Bronze Age. Men whose ancestors farmed Iberia for centuries vanished from the genetic record. Incoming R1b steppe-linked lineages became overwhelmingly dominant afterward. But scientists later uncovered something even darker inside the DNA. Women from older populations survived far more often than men inside later generations. The mother's line blood remained while the father's side disappeared. That imbalance hinted at violent domination, raiding, warfare, or social collapse. Some villages may have watched entire groups of men disappear within generations. Some mothers likely raised children who no longer spoke their father's language. Some children probably grew up beneath rulers who treated their old traditions as weak or inferior. Older gods slowly lost worshippers across Western Europe. Ancient languages faded from homes, villages, and tribal gatherings. The old Europe slowly died while another Europe rose over its ruins. France also experienced major demographic upheaval during the Bronze Age. Steppe ancestry spread rapidly through much of ancient France over centuries. Older Neolithic populations lost dominance across many Western European regions. Ancient Europe slowly stopped resembling the Europe that existed before the migrations. But Britain suffered an even more shocking transformation. Bell Beaker associated groups entered Britain around 2400 BC. Ancient DNA revealed that roughly 90% of earlier British ancestry disappeared within only a few centuries. Earlier Neolithic populations collapsed with terrifying speed after the newcomers arrived. Ancient British paternal lineages changed almost completely afterward. Stone-building peoples who raised massive monuments faded into genetic near extinction. Entire valleys lost the ancestry that once dominated them. Forests outlived the tribes who once hunted through them. Rivers continued flowing after the people beside them disappeared forever. The old Britain died slowly beneath a new Britain rising over its ruins. Yet southeastern Europe suffered differently from Western Europe. The Balkans resisted complete replacement longer than Britain or Iberia. Ancient Balkan populations preserved more ancestry from earlier European farmers. But survival did not save older Balkan identities from destruction. Earlier Balkan religions still disappeared beneath later belief systems over time. Earlier Balkan languages also vanished across many regions despite genetic continuity. Some peoples survived biologically while losing their gods, identity, memory, and voice. The people can survive in blood while dying in culture. Scandinavia followed another tragic path through the Bronze Age. Northern Europe absorbed huge amounts of steppe ancestry through corded ware-related expansions. Modern Scandinavians still carry very high levels of steppe ancestry today. Nordic regions probably suffered less total replacement than Britain or Iberia. But older northern cultures still disappeared almost completely over time. Ancient northern religions vanished long before Viking myths appeared in written history. Forgotten gods disappeared before anyone preserved their names. Earlier northern languages died without leaving literature behind. Almost entire tribes' culture vanished before historians even learned they existed. Europe transformed wave after wave after wave across thousands of years. Some peoples disappeared violently while others slowly dissolved into stronger expanding systems. Ancient graves sank beneath forests, mud, grass, and silence across the continent. No empire built monuments for erased tribes whose bloodlines vanished beneath later civilizations. Ancient suffering disappeared into darkness until genetics uncovered the evidence. Scientists reconstructed lost catastrophes from DNA hidden inside bones underground. Modern Europeans descend from both incoming and older populations at the same time. Many people carry ancestry from steppe-linked groups who spread across Europe. Many people also carry ancestry from older peoples who lost power, language, and identity. The conquerors and the conquered survived together inside modern populations. Some ancient mothers survived while their worlds collapsed around them. Some children grew up speaking the language of strangers because their own language was dying. Human history repeatedly buried weaker worlds beneath stronger expanding powers across continents and ages. The modern world still carries the silent ghosts of millions whose names disappeared long before history remembered to write them down.